How to change display settings, refresh rate, and color on Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now, this should also work on most Google Pixel devices. To get started, first go to the settings, click on the settings, then in the search, type display. So type in display, click on display, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. Then click on smooth display. This will change the refresh rate from 60 to 120 Hz, which will make your screen much more smoother when you scroll or swipe. Now you can go back to the settings. To change the colors, go to the colors tab. Now you will see two options, natural and adaptive. Now if you click on natural, it shows colors more accurately and realistic, which is great for true color representation. For adaptive mode, it basically boosts the colors and contrast, which makes everything look more vibrant basically. So if you want so the natural is basically for more accurate colors, and adaptive is for more vibrant and more contrast looking pictures. So normally I just keep it on natural and then you can exit. That's how to change the display settings on your Google Pixel phone. That's it for the video and thanks for watching.